Blockchain is one of the most secure technologies ever created, but is it truly unhackable? Blockchain uses cryptographic encryption, decentralization, and consensus mechanisms to secure data. Once a block is added, it cannot be altered without changing the entire chain. This makes hacking extremely difficult. Each transaction is verified by thousands of computers worldwide, making it impossible for a single hacker to change the data. Unlike traditional databases, where a single point of failure can expose all data, blockchain has no central authority to attack. But you may be surprised if I tell you that with all those securities, blockchain can be attacked and hacked. Here is how. The 51% attack, the biggest threat. While hacking blockchain is nearly impossible, there's one major vulnerability, the 51% attack. Blockchains work by reaching consensus, meaning most of the network must agree on transactions. If a hacker somehow gains control of 51% of the network's computing power, they can manipulate transactions, reverse payments, or double-spend coins. Sounds scary, right? But here's the good news. For large networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum, controlling 51% of the system would require an unrealistic amount of money, energy, and computing power. However, smaller, less secure blockchains can be targeted. Some lesser-known cryptocurrencies have suffered 51% attacks in the past. Smart contract vulnerabilities and hacks. Even though blockchains are secure, smart contracts, the programs running on top of blockchain, can be vulnerable. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements, but if they're poorly written, hackers can exploit loopholes to steal millions. In 2016, the DAO hack caused Ethereum to lose $60 million because of a flaw in a smart contract. That's why auditing and testing smart contracts before launching them is crucial to prevent security risks. That only occurs in public blockchains. But are private blockchains more vulnerable? Public blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum are highly secure because they have thousands of participants verifying transactions. But private blockchains, used by businesses and governments, are controlled by fewer nodes, making them more vulnerable to attacks. If a hacker gains control of a private blockchain's main authority, they could potentially alter the data. As hackers get smarter, blockchain security must evolve. New security innovations like quantum-resistant cryptography and AI-driven security checks will make blockchains even harder to hack. Regular smart contract audits and using well-secured blockchains will protect users from potential threats too. So, can blockchains be hacked? For large public blockchains, almost impossible. For smaller, private blockchains and poorly coded smart contracts, still risky. What do you think? Will blockchain remain unhackable forever, or will hackers find a way?